Hey guys, welcome to Music Me Happy. My name is Tessa. Today I'm going to teach you about the musical alphabet and about the white notes on the piano. This is lesson number 2 in my Basics About Piano course, and if you're just joining me for the first time, you may want to check out lesson number 1 before continuing. I will leave a link below. Now let's get started. The alphabet in music is just like the alphabet in English, except we stop at the letter G. So it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, we start over again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And it goes up the entire piano like that. On a regular sized piano, which has 88 keys, the very lowest note is an A. So if you start on that note and keep going up, you'll learn all of the white notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, we start over again on A. B, C, D, E, F, G. And it continues that way all the way to the very top of the piano. However, you really don't want to have to count from the bottom every time you sit at the piano, so let me teach you a few tricks. First, we already know the alphabet repeats over and over in a pattern, so if you learn that single pattern on the keyboard, you know the whole piano. Here is the group of notes I want you to look at. 7 white notes, a group of 2 black keys, and a group of 3 black keys. Now, as I mentioned in the previous lesson, we use the black keys as landmarks. I'm going to explain it very matter of fact, and honestly, you just need to practice finding these notes throughout the week and commit them to memory. So first, let's take a look at the 2 black keys. On the left of these keys is the note C. In fact, on the left of every group of 2 black keys, you will find a C. And just as a side note, the C in the middle of the piano is called middle C, and it's the most important landmark of all when we start reading music. I've highlighted that one in red. So in the middle of the 2 black keys is the note D. D in the middle of the 2 black keys, in the middle of every 2 black keys up and down the piano. Now on the right of the 2 black keys, that's the note E. Find those 2 black keys on your piano and find every E on the right of those 2 black keys. Now let's take a look at the 3 black keys. So the 3 black keys on the left is F, and you can see the pattern C, D, E, F, just going up the alphabet. So every group of 3 black keys is the note F. The next is a G. The G goes in between the bottom 2 of the 3 black keys. You can find every G on your piano. Next is the note A, and A is in between the top 2 of the 3 black keys, and you can find every one of those on your piano. And finally, we have the note B. B is on the right side of the 3 black notes, and you can find every B on your piano. And you notice it doesn't go in order of A, B, C, D, E, F, G in this pattern, but if you learn it this way, it is so easy to remember. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. I'd love for you to join me in my next lesson as we break down how to read music. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and like this video, and head over to my website if you want to know more about me, musicmehappy.com. In the meantime, practice hard, and I will see you at your next lesson.